In today's video, I will walk you through how to collect data from Yahoo Finance. To begin, visit Yahoo Finance and search for the ticker symbol of the company you want to collect data from. Once you enter the ticker symbol and open the stock page, you'll be able to access different sections containing information related to that company. For a quick manual collection method, stay on the stock page and locate the historical data section. Open this section to access past price information. Once you're inside the historical data section, choose the date range that you want to work with. After that, select the frequency for the data. You can choose options such as daily prices or weekly prices depending on the information you need. After setting the date range and frequency, click the download button. Yahoo Finance will generate a CSV file containing the selected data. You can then save that file and use it for your own analysis. Besides downloading historical prices, you can also gather information directly from the Yahoo Finance website. While viewing a stock page, you can access real-time stock quotes and browse the latest news related to the company. You can also open the company profile section to view financial metrics and other company information. Different tabs on the stock page provide access to additional details that you may want to collect. Another section available on the website is the chart area. The interactive charts allow you to view price movements and trends over different periods. You can adjust the chart settings and inspect the information displayed on the graph. If there are certain stocks you want to monitor regularly, you can create personalized watch lists. Adding stocks to a watch list makes it easier to return and collect information from the companies you follow. For users who want a more automated approach, Yahoo Finance data can also be collected programmatically. Python libraries such as YFinance allow you to retrieve information directly through scripts. When using this method, provide the ticker symbol along with a start date and an end date. Once those values are entered, the library retrieves the requested data automatically. This approach is useful when collecting larger amounts of information or when working with repeated requests. Whether you prefer downloading CSV files manually or collecting information through scripts, Yahoo Finance provides multiple ways to gather stock data and access the information you need directly from the platform. Thank you for watching.